Good day, Mom and Sir, and to my future employer. My name is Vivian Dorvin, and I'm excited to introduce myself as a dedicated nanny. I'm 39 years old, single mother of five kids. The age is 22, 19, 15, 14, and 9. I'm from Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I've been a nanny for 2 years in Malaysia. I'm all-around nanny, helper of five family members, the couple and the three kids. The age is 9, 7, and 6. My main duty is to taking care of kids, prepare their meals. Aside of that, I clean the house, wash clothes, cook, and ironing. We also play indoor and outdoor games, and also teach them like putting the dirty clothes in the laundry basket and putting the shoe in the shoe rack, and also teach them to respect others. Mom and Sir, I am a responsible person, flexible, trustworthy, kind, honest, and I love the children. Mom and Sir, if you hired me as a domestic helper, I will promise I will do my best. I will do my duty, my responsibility, and I will take care the kids like my own children. Mom and Sir, thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for this opportunity and see you soon. God bless. Thank you.